Water is an important resource in maintaining life on Earth. We use water to grow crops, hydrate, clean, cook, and create many of the products we use in everyday life. However, do you know the amount of water we need to create certain foods and drinks? Well, I'll be diving into the amount of water we need to create one of the world's most favorite beverages, milk. Within the milk community, there ranges from cow milk to plant-based milk such as soy, oat, and almond. Can you guess which one of these uses the most water in production? Did you guess cow milk? If so, you'd be correct. If we draw a diagram for the amount of water we use per liter of milk, dairy milk will land on top with about 628 liters, followed by almond, oat, and then soy milk at 371, 48, and 27 liters. By focusing in on cow milk, we can do a simple life cycle diagram to understand how much water goes into each step of production. First, we start with the grass, which requires water to grow. Then we must feed the cows and give them more water to drink. Some water is then used for cleaning the cow. Finally, we have the milk. Within your average 8-ounce glass of milk, there are 50 gallons of water that had gone into it. 90% of that water in production has gone to feeding the cows. Now as we look at almond milk, you may be thinking, almonds are a crop, so we already cut out a section of feeding and cleaning that we had to do with cows. However, one single almond takes about 1.1 gallons of water, and there are about 92 almonds per cup of milk. California grows 80% of the world's almonds, and as water becomes less abundant in California due to the frequent drought emergencies, we need to prioritize which crops we give water to. All nuts are very water-intensive crops, no matter what, so once the almonds are picked and sorted, more water is then introduced. To make the almond milk, you take the almonds, soak them in water, drain the water, blend those almonds with more water, which finally gets strained out to create almond milk. Now that's a lot of water. Now if we take a look at oat milk, there's a clear decrease in water usage between the two previous forms of milk. Oats use 6 times less water than almonds to create the milk. While the production of oat milk is very similar to almond milk, it's the physical oat that takes less water to grow. On average, like I've stated before, 1 liter of oat milk requires about 48 liters of water, which is significantly lower than both cow and almond milk. Finally, as we weigh the positives from oat milk, almond milk, and cow milk, we can't lose hope yet as we begin to discuss the winner, soy milk. Soy milk is considered the more sustainable option compared to all other forms of milk I've mentioned, such as cow, oat, and almond, especially cow milk, considering 1 liter of soy milk uses 27 liters of water, while 1 liter of cow milk uses a whopping 628 liters of water. Now I ask you, which form of milk has the most sustainable water footprint? Almond, oat, soy, or cow? I hope we all chose the right answer and begin to be more conscious of our own water footprint in the future.